Welcome to a few days in our lives, living in a van, exploring, cooking, and figuring out where we're going to sleep. We quit our jobs, broke our lease, built a van, and moved into it in Australia. It's been pretty sunny so far. We've had a lot of fun finding beautiful beach stops, camping at some free camps on the east coast of Australia, but it has started to rain quite a lot. So we're going to head inland, try and find some free camps, and try and get out of the rain. Oh my god, that's so cool. Good morning. We've explored some of the inland town, their histories. We found this cute little museum. We found some beautiful creeks and made some lunch by it. And I just love being so close to nature all the time. And I think that is the best part for me. I love the countryside. It's just a little bit brown. It's not that clear, is it?
Just making lunch for yourself. Oh, two?
That's not much making lunch for myself.
I only see one bowl. Oh, damn, she cold. Love you, baby.
I made us a chickpea salad for lunch, and you really got to get a balance of all those flavors, especially if you're making a salad. So we had the sweet grapes, the bitter tahini, the acidity from the mustard, the pungent onions and cheesy nutritional yeast, and the crunch from that salad, which just made it delicious. Hey. I would normally do potatoes to have a balanced meal, but we ran out of water and the creek was too dirty to use because of all the rain that we've had lately. So it'd have a lot of field runoff with chemicals and cow poo. So it wasn't safe for us to use for cooking. Gonna be good. Yes.
Thank you, baby. Is it?
Cashew cheese,
Cashew
chickpea,
cheese?
and grape salad. Yeah, fermented cashew cheese.
Did you make it?
Yep.
You made the cashew cheese?
Yeah, it's really easy.
How did you do it?
Just blended cashews, lemon, garlic, water, nutritional yeast.
Oh, because you made it at Anna's.
Yeah, and then I just I put it in a jar, but I just leave it out to ferment.
So I should put mine. I should get my blender fixed for you then.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So healthy.
Just following the free camps at the moment, and we even found one with hot showers. And honestly, there's so many nomads these days, or bows as we like to say, hobos, or traveling workers. So you feel pretty safe. There's always lots of different people at these free camps, no matter if they're just like random on the side of the road, or some of them are really beautiful in a park. And there's also a housing crisis, so there's just a lot of people living at these camps sometimes, but they're friendly, they keep to themselves, and I think people are just, trying to get by. But anywho, we found our next free camp and enjoyed the sunset and had a great sleep and had a great few days.